This video is sponsored in part by Play Studios. Okay, let's see if anyone actually really wins these things.
Is the Ace of Vegas, the Ace of Vegas.
There's such amazing prizes, and I'm so excited to be sharing who the winners are, and I'm just so excited. So let's get to it. We'll start with our third place winner. So fun. So our third place winner, this is what they win. A 3-night stay for 2 at a Lakeview deluxe room at the Bellagio. Oh, can you imagine? Limousine pickup to and from the McCarran Airport, an airfare credit of $1,000, and in cash, $5,000. Isn't that amazing? This prize is worth $7,000 in total. Are you guys ready to hear who the winner is? Our third place winner. Oh, I can see the excitement. Everyone's excited. Curtis P. from Idaho Falls, our third place winner. I'm so excited for you, Curtis. Congratulations on winning. What an amazing prize. Come into the Bellagio. We're welcoming you back to Vegas in style.
Hey there, my spinners and sharks. Ace of Vegas here, and I hope you're doing well. So, in celebration of our own Curtis P. actually winning the Bellagio contest, I wanted to go ahead and encourage all you guys to go ahead and check out the Relic Chase contest. So if you guys don't know, myVegas contests and myVegas events, they usually tend to crop up once every other day or so, and they typically do require a little bit of gameplay to get done. Today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to play through efficiently and completely to get you the best chance at winning one of these events and contests. So, first things first, when you sign in, you want to go ahead and make sure that you find the event. It's usually in this little square on the most left-hand portion of the screen. Well, most left-hand portion of the scroll here. You see, you'll scroll down to the right to see all the games and all. And then you scroll all the way to the left, and you'll have this large box over here that'll usually be labeled contest or event. You can usually click on the box, or alternately, you can click on the icon in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. That'll take you straight to the event screen, and it'll explain the rules. So usually you have to play a certain game at a certain bet. Sometimes this will vary from game to game, other times it'll be a single game. In this instance, it's the new Powers of the Nile game that we played a little while back on Best Games in myVegas Slots. So it looks like our minimum bet is going to be 228,000. We just have to collect relics on the meter like we normally do, and then we summon the Egyptian gods to win chip prizes. And once we get to a certain amount of relics, then we have a chance at winning 100 million chips. Looks like the event ends at June 22nd tomorrow, meaning we have just over 24 hours to do this. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump straight in and start playing. Okay, so this will help since I've already got a few relics built up over here. I'm gonna go ahead and stick with the rare relics because I know that's an even 10 million, and that'll max out my chance of getting at least rare relics. So we'll get a lot of commons, we'll get a lot of rares over here. So let's go ahead and put our spins on the clock. On your mark, get set, ready, and go. Hang on, this is going a little slow. Let's see if jacking up the bet's gonna help us any. Alright, here we go. 3 in a row finally. Oh, and of course I forgot about the free spins here. Let's go, Nile powers activate. Okay, there we go. Let's see if we can get that win streak rolling. Okay, so that's a win. Alright, so Beck, let's go, let's go. Ah, all 10s. Alright, that's not bad. Gets us back over our billion. Oh, that wasn't too bad either. Okay. Another 52 milli. Good payback percentage so far, guys. Good old Sobek did his job. Alright, Bast, let's go, let's go. 5 times wild. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, okay. Alright, Spinners and Sharks, let's get it. Anubis time. Got some good wilds in the back. Now we just need 2 to match up front. Ah. Nada. Anubis burned down on us. Got a death indeed. I think I'm hoping like a 3 times wild on Bast. Alright, there's one 3 times wild on Bast. Took that rather literally, but okay. Okay, that was an easy 150 million though. Not too bad. Alright. Another one for the commons. I'm starting to think that 900,000 is our ideal. Oh, and we finished 1.4 million. Does that mean we're entered in the contest now? Thank you, Raw. And you'll wing dragon. Oh, he's in. Oh, okay. I guess we have to play through all of them and get all the gods here. And we got one last Anubis to fill it up. And we got our Hathor for 100 million chips? What? Alright, alright, alright. finally, that's it. And that's the one for Bast. I guess that 100 million was a fluke. Maybe they meant that literally. Oh, I guess I can do it again. The third or the fourth time that we've done a full spin on this over here. Thank you, Bast, for all those chips. And it wants us to keep playing, so I'm pretty sure we're going to be stuck in a pretty infinite loop over here, going through this whole thing, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a stop to all this. We made plenty of LPs and got plenty of chips over here. I think we're going to go ahead and work to the next bonus, and we'll call it a day. Alright, Nile Power, let's go. Alright, Big Ra going first. There we go, there's that big win. Alright, we got Bass coming in. Kind of lame. Alright, let's see what Hathor can do. Oh, we get a respin on that one. There it is, Hathor coming through. Let's get it. Alright, we got one with Big Sobek. Didn't get Anubis on this one, that's interesting. Let's go, Big Sobek, here we go! Alright, we got a little something on that. Okay, not bad, not bad. Alright, Boss coming back. Alright, that's not too bad. 6 million on that one. Okay, Sobek, here you go, man. This is you. This is all you. Big one from Sobek. Let's go, let's go. Sobek cross with the queens. Alright, Spinners and Sharks, so that's basically it for the Relic Chase myth. So what really kind of came down to is you'd play the game, you'd fill up the relic meter, and then you'd have a chance at 100 million. We did get one 100 million chip prize trigger, so that was pretty neat, and it looks like it's kind of a continuous thing over here. I've probably already done this about 4 times, filled up all the way. I've only got 100 million chip prize, but that does prove it is something that you can get. And of course, like I said, we saw the video earlier with Curtis, how he was actually able to win his prize too. So that was actually really awesome too. So there you go. You guys know that you can win a myVegas event/contest now. And now you guys have the tools to do it. So just make sure you have plenty of chips and you'll be just fine. Alright, my Spinners and Sharks, that just about does it for today's episode. If you enjoyed today's video and found it informative, I'd appreciate a like, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Special thanks again, once again, to Play Studios for sponsoring me with some extra chips so I could make this challenge possible. And stick around till the end of the week when we got ourselves a little more myVegas action, because I got that big video that's already rendered, and I got that uploaded in the background. We just gotta wait till Friday to release it. Alright, Spinners and Sharks, well that said, this is Ace of Vegas signing out, and I'm wishing you all strong hands, and of course, happy spinning, you guys.
Viva Ace of Vegas. Viva Ace of Vegas. Viva Ace of Vegas. Viva Ace of Vegas.